Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Master. Today we are going to solve Edexcel IGCSE 921 ICT Paper 2 using Database Software 2018. Let's see the question paper. So this is the question paper. See here database. Activity number 2. So go to the activity number 2. This is so Sammy has created a database to store player and team details. Player details are stored in the player table. Task DB1. Open the Huachan database. Open the player table. So we have to go to the data files. What data files you need to use? That is this. See here data files. So minimize this. Go to data files 2018. Open data files. This one we have to use. So click on this. Here there are 4 tables. From this table only you have to use or open at first player table. So double click on it. This is the player table and this is data sheet view. The structure of the table, their table is given. See the structure. This is the structure. So if you want to see this structure, you have to go to view, design view. See the structure, player ID, first name, last name, gender, job, that means date of birth, phone, email, team code. A number C. Sammy wants a new player added to the database. Add these players' details, their details to the player table. So details given, so these details you have to add in the database. So minimize this. Go to view, data sheet view. Open this. Now here you have to give the entry. Player ID is 171. First name Maria. Last name Brett. BRETT Brett. She is a female, so F. Date of birth 12 March 1997, so 12 1997. Phone number 020916 5888. A space, give a space. Email address Maria BRETT @contact org.ie. Team code clicker calls, that means CC. Now go to the next. Sort the player table in alphabetical order of first name within alphabetical order of last name. So go to the table. A to Z, alphabetical order. This will be. Now save the player table. So go to Save icon, click on this, or just press Ctrl S. Open a new document using Wordpressing software. So go to Start, click on All Apps, go to Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word, this is Microsoft Office Word, set the page, set up the page, go to page layout, click on size, size should be A4, orientation, it is landscape. Enter task DB1, your name, candidate number and center number in the footer of the document. So go to insert, click on footer, click on blank. Here type task DB1, your name, candidate number, center number. Close header and footer. Open Microsoft Access player table. Copy this. Click on right button of the mouse. Click on copy. Then paste it here. Click on paste. Or you have to accommodate all the things in one page. So what should you do? You have to change the page layout. Go to page layout. Click on here. Point 2, point 2, point 6, point 6. Click on OK. Ignore. Still, you cannot accommodate it. So what should you do? Change, decrease the size. Now it's okay. In one page, I accommodated everything. Uh, Make sure all the data is displayed and easy to read. Do not print at this stage. So we need not print at this stage. In document task, DB1 explain why the data type for phone is set as text, not number. And two number question is the date of birth of each player is stored rather than their age. So you have to explain the reason both of these. So C1, we have to reply C1. The data type for phone is set as text, not number, because it allows spaces. Second number answer will be the date of birth job of each player is stored rather than their age. So the date of birth DOB of each player is stored rather than their age because the date of birth is constant and database doesn't need frequent updates. So DB1, C finished. Now resave the task DB1, print task DB1. So we have to resave, press Ctrl S or just click on save icon. Now go to desktop, create a folder here. I'm creating my folder, my work, DB 2018. Here I have to save it as task DB1. Click on save. Now I have to take a print, so go to Office button, click on print preview. See the preview is this, but I am not getting all the things, so what should I do? In the middle of the page, now go to Office button, click on print preview. See the preview this. Still I am not getting all the things. So what should I do? I have to go to page layout, page setup. Now try. Yeah, now you're getting all the things. No, still not. So what should you do? Again, go to page setup. Okay, one gig is better. print preview. Yeah, everything I'm getting here. Now I have to take a print, go to print, current page, properties, click on advanced, change the paper size, it should be A4, OK, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. Now close this. Now second part, open the question papers, task DB1 finished. For task DB1, total mark is 9. Task DB2 said open a new document using Wordpressing software. Enter task DB2 your name, candidate number, center number in the footer of the document. Save the Wordpressing document as task DB2. So click on Start, go to all apps, go to Microsoft Office, go to Microsoft Office Word 2007, change the page layout. Page layout should be A4. Go to footer, insert, then footer. Type task DB2 task DB to your name, candidate number, center number. Now save this as task DB2. So go to Office button, click on Save As, Word document, go to Desktop, My Work DB, task task DB2. Click on Save. Close header and footer. Minimize this. Now next one, Sami wants a list of players who are in the Dovia Dragons team. She wants all fields displayed. Create a query or search on the player table to find this information. Save the query or search as DB2A. Display the results of the query or search. Paste a copy of the results of your search into task DB2. Receive task DB2 do not print at this stage. So go to database, go to create, go to query design, and from this select player table or add close. So all fields should be displayed. So double click on player ID, double click on first name, double click on last name, double click on gender, double click on job, double click on phone, double click on email, double click on team code. So team code, in team code you have to give the criteria. So drop dragon, Dovia dragons means DD. So you just type DD. Now save this as DB2A. Go to Office button, save as, save object as DB2A. OK. Now click on Run. This is the information. So now you just copy them, click on right button, click on copy, then paste them in task db2. This is click on paste. Save this. Now B number C. Submit wants a list of players who were born on or after 1st January 2000. The list should show only the fields last name, first name, email, and job in this order. Create a query or search on the player table to find this information. Save the query search as db2b. Display the results of the query or search. Paste a copy of the results of your search into task db2. Resave task db2, print task db2. So again, go to create. Click on query design. Select player table. Click on add. Now from this table, you have to double click on last name, then double click on first name, then double click on email, then double click on job. Now in date of birth, that means job, you have to set a criteria. January 1st, 2000. This is. Now save this as db2b. So click on Office button, go to Save As, Save Object as db2b. Click on OK. Now run this. So this is the thing. Now you have to. Oh, sorry. After that means this should be this. Oh no, that one was correct. I have done mistake. It's okay. Now you have to copy this. So click on here, click on right button, copy. Now paste it here. So click on paste. Now resave this. So click on save. Now you have to print this. So click on Office button, go to print, check the preview. Yes, everything is okay. Where is center number? Center number not given? Given, but it is not displaying. So what should you do? Click on here. Now check. Go to print preview. If not comes, then what should you do? You just still it is not displaying, so now it will display, I think so. Is everything displayed? Now go to print, go to properties, advanced, change the page layout A4, OK, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. Now close this. So task DB2 also finished, and for this task we'll get 5 marks. Now task DB3, Sammy has stored details of sales of team shirts in the database. The stock table contains a list of shirts sold. The player table is linked to the team table and the sale table. The stock table is linked to the sale table. Open a new document using Wordpressing software. Enter task DB3, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer of the document. Save the word processed document as task DB3. So go to Start, click on All Apps, go to Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, open this, now go to Page Layout, paper size should be A4, go to Insert, go to Footer. In Footer, you have to type task DB3, your name, candidate number, center number. Now close header and footer. Now save it as task DB3. So go to Office button, click on Save As, Word document, go to your folder. Here you have to save it as task DB3. Saved. Now to minimize this, now display the relationship diagram for the database on the screen. Make sure that all fields in the tables are displayed. Take a screenshot of the relation diagram. Paste the screenshot into task DB3. The save task DB3 do not print at this stage. So go to here in your database, go to database tool, click on relationships. Say this is the relationships. Now you have to take a screenshot of this. Click on press print screen button from the keyboard. Then open Word document. Then here you have to paste it. So A, now paste. Now resave this. Now A2, identify the primary key in the relationship between the player table and the team table. So A1, you have to identify the primary key. Player table and team table. Between player table and team table, primary key is team ID. So team ID is the primary key in the relationship between the player table and the team table. This is 2 number and this is A1. Now 3 number answer should be explain why the relationship between the team table and the player table is 1 to many. The relationship between the team table and the player table is 1 to many because one unique team has many players. So this is the answer. Receive task DB3, click on save icon or just press Ctrl S. Do not print at this stage. We are not going to print. Now, in document task, we have done this. B number says, Sammy wants a list of the male players who have bought a large shirt. The list should show only the fields team name, last name, first name, email, sale date, color, gender, size. Be sorted in alphabetical order of last name within alphabetical order of team name. Create a query or search to find this information from the link table. Save the query as DB3B. Make sure that all results from task DB3 are displayed and are easy to read. Receive task DB3, print task DB3. So we have to go to our database, go to create, go to query, design. All tables add. Now from this table, at first you have to select table team name, then last name, double click on last name, then double click on first name, then double click on email, Double click on sale date. Double click on color. Double click on gender. Then double click on size. Gender should be male. So criteria in gender have to type M. Size large. LARGE large. Then last name of the team should be alphabetical order, last name. A to Z. Team name also. A to Z. Now save this query as DB freebie. Go to Office button. Click on Save As, Save Object As. Now DB freebie. Click on OK. Now run this. This is the thing you are getting. Now copy and paste it. Copy. Now you have to paste it. B number. Click on paste. No problem. Now resave this. Go to Office button. Click on Print Preview. Close. Now click on Print. Current page. Properties. Advanced. Select A4. OK. OK. And click on OK. It will be printed. Now close this. Now task DB4. Task DB3 finished, so for task DB3 marks is 8. Now task DB4, Submi wants a database report using the results of the query search carried out in part B of task DB3. Create the database report. The database report must have a suitable title, show only the field's name, field's first name, last name, email, sale date in this order. Make sure that the column headings are easy to read, easy to understand. The database report fits onto one side of A4 portrait. The database report is fit for purpose. Enter task DB4, your name, candidate number, center number in the footer. In the page footer, save the database report as task DB4, print the database. So we have to create a database report. So go to create, click on a report wizard. Select query DB3B. Now from here, select first name at first, then last name, then email address, then sale date. Okay. Now click on next, next, next. Now here next, next, next. Here you have to give a suitable title. So I have to give main, clear, buying, sorry, buying a large shirt. Finish. So this is my report. Now page setup. Page setup should be portrait, A4, A4, portrait. Okay. Now here you have to add task before your name, candidate number, and center number in the page footer. So how to add this? Go to view and design view. In design view, when you come that time, see here, this is the page footer. So here you have to use level, click on here. So task, task DB for name, candidate number, center number put. Now save this as task DB4. So go to Office button, click on Save As, save object as. Now save it as task DB4. Click on OK. Click here, ignore error. Now go to View, Report View. See here you are getting this. Now you have to print this. How to print? Go to Office button, click on Print Preview. See the preview. This is the thing. Click on Print. Then go to Properties. Go to Advanced. Select A4. OK. And OK. And OK. The task will be printed. Close preview. So task DB4 also finished, and for this task DB4 only 5 marks you will get, and total for activity 2 is 27 marks. That's all for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.